Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot from Berthon International, and today we are on board the Swan 44 1972 that's been completely rebuilt. Hello and welcome aboard ASTRID. She is a slightly unusual Swan 44, having had a full rebuild by the current owner in 2019. And as we have a look around this boat, I will show you the many new features she now has. As we slowly make our way forward, you can see the excellent condition that all the teak is in. This was done previous to the owner, but again is in really good condition. All hatches have been replaced in 2019. This is the same for all spars and standing rigging that has gone into stainless steel standing rigging. As we make our way further forward, you can see the excellent space on the forward deck. Again, a good view of that teak. These Swans have quite a lot of teak on board, but this has been well looked after. You have your electric windlass, clever storage for the anchor when not in use. Big large furling genoa, which is North sails, and again replaced in 2019, which is the same for the mainsail. Have a look at that, the stainless steel standing rigging on either side, so she's extremely secure and ready to go to sea. Again, we're just having a look at those side decks, new spray hood and sail cover. Again, all these stainless steel runnings have been replaced as well. As we go back into the classic Swan cockpit, you have your big large wheel and your main sheet track just running into the centre. Really good space for sailing. You've got 4 main chrome winches that are all 2-speed and self-tailing. So again, they have all been replaced in 2019. We just have a look at the cockpit navigation, the B&G system, nice big large plotter. As we scan back round into the cockpit, again, nice bright sunny day, really gives you the overall condition, especially those winches that are shining in the sun. We step over and down into the main living quarters. The continuation of the refit continues. And as you can immediately see, all the woodwork has been varnished. You have brand new headlining and new flooring. 2 good sized sofas on either side with a saloon table that swings up. And into the forward cabin, currently set up as a large double, but can be set with 2 singles and access to the chain locker forward. 2 good sized hanging lockers. Again, the overall condition of the woodwork really is proof that this boat has had a full refit. The owner took out the 2 sea berths above the main sofas to give yourself more extra storage, which I think is a really clever idea. Not often used these days, but you can definitely sleep on those 2 sofas. Again, going back into the navigation, you've got your B&G systems, all new electrical wiring, new batteries, battery charger, again all done in 2019 when she had her full refit. Just panning around into the really good size, nice and light galley, twin stainless steel sinks, again all new, cooker, hob, a really nice big fridge as well. Behind you have clever storage for your plates, cups and mugs, all safely secure. You're making your way further aft. You've got this good sized wet locker, hanging locker, well ventilated, really nice and big for really good storage. This boat has a lot of storage on board. She also has a new Beta 50 horsepower engine, again done in 2019. Making my way back into the aft cabin, you've got 2 singles, access to the head, which again has had a full refurb. Good sized cupboards on either side, storage under all the beds. You can just see the lining, the wood lining that has been recently redone. Access to the engine is under the stairs. So into the head, you have a shower that comes out of the sink. Get a nice size, good standing headroom. And making our way back into the saloon gives you a really good view. She really is ready to hit the oceans with our new owner.